Hey everybody, Mr. B here, and we are going to continue to work outside of our comfort zone with these damn pies, right? I don't know if y'all have checked out the Granny's chocolate pie video. Oh, let me tell you something. You can make some money with that pie, all right? So today we are going to do one of my favorites. It's a family favorite. It's a lemon icebox pie. Now, I have to let you in on a little bit of the controversy around the lemon icebox pie in my family. You can do this basically with two crusts. You can do a vanilla wafer crust, or you can do it with a Ritz Cracker or a butter cracker crust, right? So my dad liked it with the vanilla wafers. My mom's side of the family, a little bit more of the Ritz Cracker. So this is a perfect example of how, let's say, MeMaws can have differences of opinion, let's just say. So today we're going to use the vanilla wafer crust. I have done none of this before in my life. So if it turns out like crap, it's going to turn out like crap, and it's going to turn out like crap while we're doing it together. Okay, let's get started. Guys, in theory, this is pretty simple. What you're going to need are about 4 lemons, depending on how much juice you get out of them, maybe more, maybe one less. 4 eggs, you're going to separate those, reserve the whites for your meringue. Come on, kids. Sweetened condensed milk, 2 cans, and your vanilla wafers, a couple of sticks of butter. Let's move on to crust. Okay, so I put vanilla wafers here into a Ziploc bag, reserving a few off to the side that'll go around to make it all look pretty. And we are just going to take rolling pin and get these pulverized really well with a lot of butter. If you had a food processor, this would, it would be a perfect utilization for said tool. So what do you usually do, Ma? Do you put the butter in the bag, or do you?
It's a good idea to put it in the bowl.
Okay, all right, got it. How do you think it looks?
Yeah.
We there, you think? All right, to a bowl it goes. Place the crumbs in the bowl, and we're going to just add a little bit of this butter. May not need all of it. Start mixing that up. Now we're going to try to make this damn crust. So in my mixture goes, let's see where I get with that. And in theory, kids, you're supposed to be able to form it around. Okay. Well, it looks good on paper, y'all. Let's move over to the filling and get that happening. Get rid of the juice, at least 3 of these lemons. We'll see what we need. If we need the 4th one or not. Alright, let's mix the filling together. So I have my yolks with the whites reserved for the meringue. We're going to do the condensed milk. And we mix. Okay, so they call it lemon icebox for a reason. Isn't that beautiful? I'm sorry, tout my own damn horn. That's gorgeous. It's gonna taste like, Let it kind of come down to room temperature, okay? And then put some toothpicks in the meringue, cover it gently with some saran wraps, because you don't want to squash these peaks you work so damn hard on, you hear me? And then forget about it. Let it get good and cold. Colder it is, the better, right? And then you cut into it, and it's absolutely delicious. So I guess we wait. Okay, well, the first attempt at the outro had no sound, so we're eating the pie. It's absolutely delicious. It's very lemony, as implied by the name, lemon icebox. I really like the Vanilla Wafer crust here, but if you want to use the Ritz Cracker, it's really good as well. It's got that salty edge to it, so that you have the sweet with the salty, and you know, salt can kind of cut through some of this richness that's going on. This is a fantastic summer pie. It's a wonderful way to end a nice barbecue. Give it a try. We're going to see you next time.